What's up, guys? Rob from All Things Wood Heat Maple. So I was getting ready to make a video about making maple sugar, and I ran into some problems. I was cooking down my syrup, but I think I messed up the temperatures. I ended up, as you can see here, with a blob of cooked down maple syrup, too hard to make into maple candy, not soft enough to make into maple butter. So here's what I had to do. So I took that blob of maple syrup as it was cooling, rolled it out on parchment paper to a nice long rectangle, took a pastry brush, put a little bit of water on it, just enough to make it damp, sprinkled cinnamon on it. Then I folded it over, rolled it out so it was maybe a quarter of an inch thick, a little bit more than that, and wound up cutting it up into cubes to make little maple chews, very cinnamony flavored maple chews. And then I found that it was a little bit hard to cut because it was kind of chilly out in my kitchen. So I warmed it up, got out my little cutters, and I made them into circular shapes, which looked really nice. We had guests over, and instead of having maple sugar with our coffee, I put these out when we were having something to eat. It just goes to show you maple syrup is very flexible. If you cook it down too much, you could always thin it down with water or sap. So as long as you don't burn it, there's a lot of things you can do with maple syrup. Just another tip from Rob at All Things Wood Heat Maple. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And we'll see you on the next one.